Give you one more piece of fucking advice. Listen to me carefully, because this will be a video that will be clipped and I will play it back in 2 years from now. Listen to me now. Listen in your heart. Listen to me. Because in 2 years when I play this video back, you're gonna hate yourself for your lack of action. So in 2 years when I ask you why you did not act, you have no excuse. You were told directly from me, you need to work, you need to dedicate yourself, you need to take these next few months seriously, you need to stop being a fucking idiot, you need to reflect on your life, you need to feedback, you need to analyze all of the mistakes you've made, you need to stop wasting your time so that you can focus on something for once in your fucking life. Because time is running out. That is your warning.